The Orion MotorTech 5-ton bearing puller is a comprehensive kit designed to quickly and efficiently remove bearings, wheel hub axles, and pinion bearings. Neatly stored in this rugged molded plastic case, you'll find 2.2 to 3 inch bearing separator jaw, 2 inch bearing separator jaw, L-type pullers, 6 inch yoke, 6.9 inch lead screw, as well as various extension screws to accommodate countless vehicles and scenarios. Now let's see the bearing puller in action. We're going to remove a bearing from this knuckle from a customer's 2006 Ford Econoline van. First step is to find the appropriate size bearing separator, remove the screws and slide it apart. Install it so that the bevel faces up towards the bearing, and be sure it's seated just underneath the bearing, firmly between the bearing and the knuckle. Second, reinstall the screws and tighten them firmly in place. There's no need for overkill here, just be sure it's nice and snug. Next, we'll install the extension screws like you see here. Notice though that when I try to add the yoke, there's no space between the yoke and the stub axle. That's where the other extension screws come into play. There's multiple sizes for various situations and, as you can see here, they're stackable. Once you've found the appropriate combination that works best for your situation, install the yoke. Then the lead screw. Next up, begin to tighten down on the lead screw with either a wrench or, as in this case, a socket and ratchet. Keep tightening until you feel the bearing break loose. Then it's just a simple matter of removing all but the bearing separator and popping off the bearing. It couldn't be easier unless I came by and did it for you. Whether you're a shade tree mechanic or a professional automotive technician, the bearing removal kit from Orion MotorTech is one tool you should have in your toolbox.